In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print your survey designs from SurveyMonkey. Understanding how to print your survey can be incredibly valuable, whether you're preparing for an in-person meeting, creating a physical record, or simply need a paper copy for your files. Thankfully, SurveyMonkey makes this process straightforward. Let's walk through it together. Start by logging into your SurveyMonkey account. Once you're in, you need to navigate to the Design Survey tab. This is the place where you have all the control over your survey's layout and questions, and it's also where you'll start the printing process. On the left sidebar, you'll notice a variety of options, and among them, there's a small icon that looks like a printer. That's your print button. Click on that, and we can start customizing your document. When you click the print icon, SurveyMonkey provides you with a few choices to tailor your printed document to your liking. The first decision you'll make is about the print style. If you prefer a minimalist approach, you might want to choose Optimized for Print, which will give you a simple, grayscale version. Alternatively, if you want your printed survey to reflect exactly how it looks online, you can select Use Current Theme to keep all the colors. Next, you'll have some additional options to consider to include in your printout. You can choose whether or not to include images, the survey title, page numbers, and even adjust things like orientation and paper size. You also have the option to add page breaks if you want certain sections to start on a new page. This level of customization helps ensure that your printed survey meets exactly your needs and preferences. Once you're happy with the settings you've selected, click the Download PDF button. This will generate the PDF document that you can then open in your preferred PDF viewer, such as Adobe Acrobat. From there, you simply proceed to print your document like you would any PDF file. One thing to keep in mind as you prepare your printout is that the PDF won't include some interactive elements. For example, any logic rules you've set up, drop-down menu choices, multi-language content, SurveyMonkey's own footer, or navigation buttons won't appear in the printed version. It's just something to be aware of as you look over your printed survey. And there you have it, a simple, streamlined way to print your survey design directly from SurveyMonkey. Hopefully, this information helps you achieve a hassle-free experience, from clicking that print icon all the way to having a tangible copy in your hands. I hope you found this guide useful and that you feel more confident managing your survey materials. Thanks for watching.